Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove Facebook login from third-party apps, security settings step by step clearly. Open the Facebook app on your phone or go to facebook.com on your computer. Log into the Facebook account you want to secure. Tap your profile picture or the menu icon to open the main menu. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings and Privacy to expand the section. Select Settings to open the full settings page. In Settings, find the Accounts Center option and open it if it appears. If you are in Accounts Center, tap Password and Security. If you do not see Accounts Center, stay in Facebook Settings and look for Security and Login. Open Security and Login or Password in Security, depending on your screen. Scroll to the area related to connected experiences or app access. Tap Apps and Websites to view services connected to your Facebook login. You will see tabs like Active, Expired, and Removed. Tap Active to see apps and sites that currently have access. Read each app name carefully and confirm you recognize it. Tap the app you want to remove to open its details. Tap Remove or remove access to disconnect that app from Facebook login. If Facebook shows a checkbox to delete posts or activity created by the app, choose it only if you want that content removed too. Confirm the removal when the confirmation window appears. Repeat the same removal steps for every app you no longer trust or use. After clearing Active, check the Expired tab to review older connections. Remove any expired app you still do not want listed in your account. Go to the Remove tab to verify the apps you disconnected are shown there. Return to Security and Login Settings and locate where you're logged in. Log out of any device or session you do not recognize to prevent unauthorized access. Go back to Password and Security and turn on two-factor authentication for extra protection. Review your email address and phone number in your account to ensure recovery options are correct. Finally, test by opening a removed app and confirm it no longer logs in with Facebook automatically. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.